I wasn't even driving, but all right. All right.
All right, no, we're gonna withdraw the plea. Mr. Gazicki, I'm not accepting the plea. It's clear he doesn't want a plea.
I
There is no
don't
plea.
understand
No,
what's
no,
going
no,
on.
no, no, I'm done. Mr. Tag, I'm done with you. We're not doing this.
Today, we're in Judge Shackleford's courtroom, and things spiral out of control quickly. The defendant walks in acting like his deep voice is some kind of superpower, but all it really does is irritate everyone, especially the judge. His fake, too cool for court attitude falls apart almost instantly, and Judge Shackleford wastes no time calling him out as a spoiled brat who thinks the rules don't apply to him. It's like watching a kid argue with their mom, forgetting that she's the one who controls the Wi-Fi. The tension keeps building until the judge finally lays down the law, and you can practically hear his ego shatter in real time. So what do you think? Was that confidence, or just insecurity turned up to max volume? Let's dive in and watch it play out.
He's going to plead guilty to the open intox, asking the court to take it under 771.
Sir, do you understand everything your attorney just said?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you understand that open intox is still a misdemeanor?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you could get up to 90 days for that. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, I have to tell you the maximum, sir. Looks like there's a plea agreement that you would have a delayed sentence under 771.1 for a period of 12 months. So you'd have some probation terms for 12 months and then the case would be dismissed. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, and that goes as I'm a passenger too. I'm sorry for questions, but
What's that?
and that goes as I was a passenger too, so that applies still.
Did you talk to your attorney about that?
Yes, it does apply if you're a passenger.
Okay.
Sir, I can't give you legal advice. That's why you have an attorney. So,
I'm sorry about that.
okay. So, do you understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over your constitutional rights with your attorney that are outlined on this advice of rights form?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Tonga, sit down. You're making me dizzy. We're going to get through this. You're making me dizzy. All right. So you sign the advice of rights. You understand those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand if you enter a plea to this, you'll be waiving those trial rights. There will be no trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. To the charge of open intox, sir, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Has anyone forced you to get you to plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the terms of the agreement to get you a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, well, you're shaking your whole head no, Mr. Tonga. I have a whole book of court rules. There are questions I have to ask someone when they plead guilty. I'm not inventing these questions as I go. These are questions I must ask you. So, but I don't want you to shake your head no and tell me yes. I mean, this is a decision that you need to make, and I want to make sure that you're making it knowing and voluntarily.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
okay.
Just
So-
plead me guilty. I talked to him. Plead me guilty. I accepted all my rights. Just plead me guilty. I got 12 months, whatever, probation.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, Mr. Tonga? Sit down. Sir, you had a chance to meet with your lawyer.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay. Listen, do you want the plea or not?
Yes.
Were you in the city of Taylor on November 20th of 2023?
Yes.
Were you in a vehicle while you were in the city?
Yeah.
And did you have open containers of alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
Mr. Gazicki, are you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna accept the plea as knowing and voluntarily given. He's going to be referred to probation so we can see if any terms are necessary or if it should be non-reporting. So, Mr. Tonga, you would be eligible for early termination, under certain circumstances that the probation department will go over you and with you in more detail. But you're gonna get a notice within the next week to appear for a probation interview. And after that, you will get a date for sentencing, okay?
I'm getting probation out of all of this. This is what I'm getting.
Well, you have to meet with probation so I can determine what's appropriate for you.
I wasn't even driving, but all right. All right.
All right, you know, we're gonna withdraw the plea. Mr. Gazicki, I'm not accepting the plea. It's clear he doesn't want a plea.
I don't understand what's going on.
No, I'm done. Mr. Tag, I'm done with you. We're not doing this. You're not gonna be forced to plea. Mr. Gazicki, I wanna make sure we have this. As to arraignment, how do you plea on behalf of your client?
Waive reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We're setting a jury trial.
Bro keeps dropping his voice lower every chance he gets, like making it deeper is somehow going to make him sound more believable. He's slouched on his bed like he's FaceTiming a buddy, instead of standing before a judge who literally holds his freedom in her hands. And the kicker? He's facing an alcohol charge, yet has a giant alcohol banner in the background of his Zoom call. That's basically Exhibit A against himself. Judges absolutely take courtroom demeanor into account during sentencing. It's not just about the charges. It's about whether you look like a risk to society. And he clearly missed that memo. When he started getting smart with Judge Shackleford, my jaw dropped. You could actually see her patience vanish in real time. The legal term for what's happening here is losing judicial discretion, which is basically code for she owes him zero leniency now. Watching her shift from tolerance to controlled irritation is the exact moment the scales tip. And the funniest part? He still doesn't realize he's writing his own sentence with every smug word.
Okay.
So we'll get you a date, Mr. Tonga. You'll get a date of your jury trial coming up within the next few weeks, okay? And we'll see you on your jury trial date. Conditions of your bond are as follows. You're going to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number. You're not to purchase or consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you may be subject to random testing at your expense. Have you been fingerprinted, sir?
He took off.
Oh, he left. Oh, wait, he's back. I think he keeps getting. Because that's happened before. Mr. Tonga, do you understand all of that?
I got kicked out. What do you say? I'm sorry.
You're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number. You're not to purchase or consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you may be subject to testing for those substances at your expense. You can't drive a vehicle without a valid license, and you have a $500 personal bond. You'll receive notice of your next court date in the mail, sir. And you're all set.
So I didn't accept the plea, so I have another court date, basically.
Yeah, you do. You're going to trial.
For why? I accepted my plea.
Because I did not accept your Mr. Tonga. In order for you to plead guilty, I must accept your plea, and I am not accepting your plea.
I didn't.
So I'll see you on your trial day. I will see you on your trial day, sir. You're excused. Okay. All right, Mr. Tonga, I see you're back. My understanding is you've been cussing out my clerks downstairs. So what are you here for? What?
Yeah, I didn't talk to no clerk.
Okay. Well, it's recorded. So they have a recording of you talking to them and cussing at them.
Right.
To anything else? Why are you back? What can I help you with?
I was wondering what was going on. The attorney didn't let me know what I was getting. So when he told me that I was getting probation for 12 months or whatever, it surprised me. So that's why I reacted the way I reacted.
All right,
I'm
we're going to
sorry.
have an in-person hearing.
But I didn't know what was
You're
going on.
going to be here in person next Monday.
I called the court. Like,
And you're going to be here at 9 a.m. next Monday,
okay.
which is February what? 26th. February 26th for an in-person hearing at 9 a.m.
Okay.
226?
And that.
Wait,
And that's a
225.
hearing?
Yeah,
Okay.
225 next Monday at 9 a.m.
25th is a Sunday.
I'm looking at March. Nope, hold on. Let's get this together. No, in February?
26th is a month.
February 26th, Monday at 9 a.m. in
When
person.
I was in the room and they said I was testing, I was in the room by myself.
You're going to be here 9 a.m.
Okay.
in person next Monday for a hearing.
Okay.
And you're all set. We'll see you
All right.
next Monday in person.
This guy is about to have a very rough time, and honestly, he brought it all on himself. He just can't seem to grasp that he's not the one in charge, and the courtroom made that painfully obvious. His parents definitely have some explaining to do, because raising a kid without basic respect is like handing them a ticking time bomb and waiting for the justice system to light the fuse. Here's something most people don't realize. Judges can factor in your attitude and body language when deciding your sentence. So rolling your eyes or acting smug isn't just disrespectful. It can literally cost you months of freedom. Makes you wonder how many people are sitting in jail